prone to violent mood swings, using controlling behavior and demeaning language in order to get what he wanted. When he told me I was worthless, I believed him. Around this time, I met a woman who found beauty in my life. She came to my village and she found me, other women sitting in